大家好，我是凯丽。During this difficult time, we hear on the news every day about the latest situation of COVID-19. Today, we look at how do we say these expressions related to COVID-19 in Chinese. 保持社交距离，保持社交距离。Keep social distance. 医疗工作者是最美逆行者。医疗工作者是最美逆行者。Medical workers are heroes in harm's way. 我们要向他们致敬。我们要向他们致敬。We need to pay tribute to them. 致敬 pay tribute to. 公筷公筷 communal chopsticks or serving chopsticks. 公筷公勺公勺 communal spoons or serving spoons. 公勺公筷serving utensils. 口罩口罩 mask. 戴口罩戴口罩 wear masks. 防护衣防护衣 protective gown. 防护衣穿防护衣 wear protective gowns. 穿防护衣核酸检测核酸检测 PCR test. 检测 test. 隔离隔离 to quarantine. 希望我们能够早日走出疫情的阴影，恢复正常的生活。If you like this video, please hit the like button and forward to your friends so they can learn Chinese too. I will keep updating Chinese learning videos and videos about Chinese culture. So please do subscribe my channel and follow me on other social media platforms as well. Make sure you hit the bell and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my new videos. To see more Chinese learning videos, please go to my website. I read all the comments, so please let me know what do you want to know about the Chinese culture or about the Chinese language. I will make new videos. Thank you for your support. See you next time. 再见。